Bye, Bubba. Time to go to work. Where is Bubba going? It looks like he's going far away. Oh, look! A truck! But where is Bubba? There he is. Bubba, where are you going? Get back here, Bubba. Hey, look! It's a bouncing frog. Bounce, bouncy, bounce. But where is Bubba going? There he is. Oh, wow! A school bus! But where is Bubba? There he is. Bubba is coming closer. Ew! Dust!
Ew!
Oh, thank you, Bubba. Uh-oh! Oh, no, Bubba!
Oh, no!
You're making a big mess. Don't do that again.
Whee!
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, no. Boom! Crash. Oh, dear. Time to clean up. Bubba is cleaning up his mess. Be careful, Bubba. Oh, no! Another big mess. Time to clean up. Bubba is cleaning up his mess again. Where is Bubba going now? Hey, Bubba's going under the bed. Where are you going, Bubba? Let me see if I can find him. There he is. Bubba is upside down. Hi, Bubba. What are you doing upside down? A Lego. Oh, no. The Lego is stuck inside of Bubba. Oh, dear Bubba. Now you flipped upside down.
I am Snoozer! Da-da-da-da-da! I wonder where Bubba is. Hello, Bubba! Oh no! Bubba is upside down! I will go get Checkers, and he will fix Bubba!
Uh-oh.
Oopsie!
What's going on? I can fix Bubba.
Checkers can fix Bubba!
We just need to use some tools. We're going to use the Cool tool. This will clean Bubba. All clean.
Now he's all clean!
Now to fix Bubba. We need to open it up. Hey, there it is. Now Bubba will be all better. See, Bubba? All better.
Yay, it worked! Bubba is fixed!
Time to go to sleep. Bye-bye, Bubba.